So we've had a little bit of an accident. It's one of our worst fears has come true, and that is closing the front gates on the Tesla. It actually happened. Probably because we feared about it so much, we made it, into existence. But essentially, I was reversing the car out. I gave the garage keys to Paige, and instead of closing the garage door, she closed the front gates, and I didn't realize until I heard the bang, and the right-hand side gate, as you can see in this video, has just quite quickly slammed itself into the car, and that's aluminium or steel frame I think we've got on the gate. And so you really felt it in the car, and it was quite loud. I probably had a half second of just like freezing up and going, shit. And then I panicked and drove forward to try and get away from the gate, because the gate, I would have thought the gate would have had that safety measure where it would bounce back. It didn't bounce back, and I could see the other side was coming, so I just drove forward, and that did the real damage. I ended up scraping all along the top of that wheelbase there, or wheel arch I should call it. I think we're probably going to be able to buff it out. It's not too bad. It's not that noticeable, but the sound of that sort of metal rubbing up against the car was not a great feeling. And in that moment, I was too scared to look at the car. We were both felt sick about it. Paige obviously felt terrible. And we got out, and thankfully, it's really not as bad as we were initially expecting. But yeah, I can't believe it happened. Anyway, at least we caught it on dash cam and we can make a video about it. But in the future, I will definitely just try to carefully polish this out of the paint. It may be too deep. We shall see. But the damage was not crazy bad. Took us a good hour to sort of get over the incident and what had happened. But we live on, and the car has survived, and if that's the worst that can happen, then that's not a big drama at all. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good holiday period. Catch you soon.